Hello, and today in After Effects I am going to show you how to do a quick zoom in blur transition. It's pretty easy to do, so I have two clips of footage here, and then right here at this cut we're just going to do a quick blur in. So all you need to do is go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, go right to the cut, and then go 5 frames each way. So right there, and then we're going to split it. Now we're going to go 5 frames the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we're going to split it. And then all we have to do here is apply a transform effect. So we're going to throw that on our adjustment layer. And then we want to unclick use composition. So we're going to adjust the scale at the middle and both endpoints. So we'll pull up our keyframe here by hitting U. And then the middle, we want to make it 300. You can do any size you want. I typically do 300. And then we're going to make all of these easy eases. We're going to quickly go in the graph editor and clean this up a little bit by just making it more of a point so it has a smoother motion. That should be good. And right now we have this, which is good, but we also want to add a bit more blur so it looks more like a transition. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a directional blur and add that to here. And then all we're going to do for this is change the direction to 90 degrees. And then blur length, same thing with the scale. We're going to add one in the middle. We're going to add one to both ends. Okay, so add one there. Add one here. And then for the middle one, we're going to up it to 100. And then also we're going to easy ease these, and we're also going to use the graph editor to clean this up too real quick. So just make a quick point so it has smoother motion. And then if we go back to our composition and watch it, now we have a pretty cool transition. If you like this video, please check out my other videos on my channel. Please like and subscribe and support the channel as well. Thank you and have a great day.